Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into both PlayStation Network and Steam. Do this on a desktop for clarity. Once logged in, enable two-factor authentication so you can approve the link securely. Make sure the email addresses match or that you can access both inboxes, and jot down any publisher or game-specific account ID. Now open the game or publisher account page that supports linking. Proceed to the Account Connections or Linked Accounts section to begin the link flow. You now initiate the link from the game or publisher account. Choose Link, then pick PlayStation or Steam as the partner. When the OAuth prompt appears, read the requested permissions. Allow cross-save and inventory access only if you agree. Once prompted, enter the two-factor codes generated by your authenticator or SMS. Make sure you confirm the displayed account names before you finalize. This prevents linking the wrong profile. If the game asks to migrate progress, select the appropriate option and wait for the confirmation screen. You finish by verifying the link in both PlayStation and Steam account settings. Test cross-save or join a multiplayer session to confirm. If the link fails, make sure two-factor codes are current, then clear browser cache or retry the process on a desktop rather than a mobile app. If problems continue, capture screenshots, note error messages and timestamps, and contact the publisher's support with your account ID. One key tip: temporarily disable VPNs or proxy services. Those often block OAuth redirects and cause linking errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.